Hello everyone!
Hello everyone! We are the treated plants from GSPM Grade 7B. We have 3 group members consisting of us, Stella, Shaista, and Angel. Today we will be presenting and discussing our experiment that we did in our course books, which we worked hard on.
We have done some simple experiments in the past few days regarding plants, and today we will show all of the process included in the experiment with this video. We hope you enjoy! So for the first experiment, our goal is to find out whether the seeds grow better when the roots are facing upwards or if the roots are facing downwards. And in the second experiment, our goal is to be able to identify how the inside of the plant looks like when the plant is put inside a dyed water. Let us begin.
So experiment 1.4b is basically about beans growing inside a water jar. It is very simple. Here are the steps. First, take a tall glass jar and roll up a piece of strong absorbent paper so that it fits the jar. Second, add a little water and allow it to soak in the paper. Third, take 3 soaked beans. Carefully put them between the paper and the side of the jar. Place each one different way up. Then put the jar in a warm place and make sure to check it each day to see if it needs more water. The last one, when all of the seed have grown roots, make drawings of them and you're done. Here's the picture of the drawing that we could see from the result of the experiment.
So now for the next experiment, experiment 1.5a is about a stalk of celery put inside a bottle of dyed water. Here are the steps. The first thing you need to do is to collect a stalk of celery. If possible, choose the one that has some leaves on the top. Next, put some water containing colored dye into a beaker. When you're done, stand the celery stalk in the dye. Make sure you stand the stalk the right way up. Every now and then, look at the stalk. You should be able to see the colored dye moving up inside it, though it varies on how long it takes. When you're done, take the stalk out of the dye and wash it with clean water. After that, make a drawing of what you can see. And right there is the drawing that I made. It's with the stem on the outside and the red dye on the inside of the xylem. So from this experiment, we can conclude that if we put a celery stalk into a beaker filled with colored water, the roots of the celery will absorb the water and transfer it into the stem.
That is the end of our video.
Thank you for watching.